Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of minus 0.01, with a momentum of plus 0.44, which is unusual given the current context of finance. This negative sentiment appears at a time when momentum is swinging positively, creating a divergence that might indicate underlying tensions. Our API returns nuanced insights into this sentiment, including 19 semantic clusters, that can help you pinpoint specific areas of concern or opportunity. For instance, you might use this data to refine your risk models, ensuring that you're not just reacting to surface trends, but also understanding the deeper emotional currents affecting your algorithms. Dive deeper into this unique sentiment landscape at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Get started today. Your next breakthrough could be just a call away.